All right, in this problem we're going to graph the quadratic y equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1 squared minus 5. Now this is in vertex form. Our vertex, the x-coordinate of our vertex, we're going to take this and change the sign. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be a positive 1. And then the y-coordinate of the vertex is here, that is negative 5. Okay? I can create an xy table here that's centered around the vertex. So y is going to equal 2 times the quantity x minus 1 squared minus 5. And I want to go a couple values below the vertex in x and a couple values above the vertex in x. So I would center my x values at 1. And then below it, I would have 0 and negative 1, and above it, I would have 2 and 3. Now I know that the value for 1, the y value is negative 5. And then I can calculate the other values. So for 0, I would plug in 0 for x, so 2 times 0 minus 1 squared minus 5. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. If we square negative 1, that's positive 1. So we have 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 5, so that's negative 3. Now, the vertex, the points around the vertex are symmetrical, so for one x value above the vertex, we also have the value negative 3. Okay, I can also figure out the value for negative 1, so I do 2 times negative 1 minus 1 squared minus 5. Negative 1 minus another 1 is negative 2, and negative 2 squared is going to be positive 4. So we have 2 times 4, so that's 8, minus 5, so that value is going to be 3. And this value here is also going to be 3. Okay, so now I can plot my graph. So I have my x-axis and my y-axis. And I'm going to break these apart, so each of these are 2. So I'll go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on, and here I go negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, and so on. Down here I would have negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, and here I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So let's do this in a different color. Let's plot it in blue. Hopefully that'll show up well. So I'm going to first plot my vertex, which is the point 1, negative 5. So I go to 1 on my x, which is halfway in between, and I'm going to go down to negative 5, which is halfway in between negative 4 and negative 6. So I'm going to plot my vertex here. And then at the x value of 0, I have a point at negative 3, so 0 would be at negative 3 here. Okay, and then also at 2, we'd have the point negative 3 here. So again, they're symmetrical around the axis of symmetry, which is the line that goes through the vertex. I would also place a point at negative 1, positive 3. So go to negative 1 up to positive 3, so right here. And at 3, positive 3. So 3, positive 3. Point here. And now I can sketch my parabola, like so. And there we go. That's the graph of this quadratic. GoPro, stop recording.